Hi, I'm Bob Lavolsi. I'm the CEO and founder of VaccineSystems. For most of us, our lives are hard-won, from cancer survivors and military vets to survivors of other emotional traumas, including just the day-to-day struggles to make ends meet. My family members' lives are among the hard-won. Our oldest daughter went into cardiac arrest for 20 minutes in the 9th month of pregnancy a few months ago. The healthy baby boy died, and the medical team placed our daughter on life support. The next day, standing over her bed in ICU, they told us we needed to make decisions about unplugging. She would not wake up, and if she did, she would be a vegetable. In her coma, our daughter heard this and made up her mind to fight her way back. She did, miraculously. She still has healing ahead, but neurologically, she is sound. She comes by this fight honestly. Her mother, my wife, has experienced over 60 surgeries, some very high risk, for a congenital heart condition that doctors repeatedly call terminal. We believe in fighting for life. So it is deeply troubling and sometimes angering that hard-won lives like ours and those of millions of others are put in jeopardy for fear of a needle jab. While some of the anti-vaccine sentiment is political, much of it is based in real fear. We know that because we live in a neighborhood the Washington Post called the epicenter of the anti-vax movement. With only one exception, our neighbors tell us that they would in fact vaccinate if they could be more certain of vaccine safety. But vaccine errors, while small in relative numbers, are real, very real to those few hurt by them. And the one-off stories are fodder for social media reports that exploit people's fears. Moreover, even if a vaccine doesn't have a terrible side effect, human error in preparation often reduces a vaccine's efficacy, which stirs further doubt. Pharmacists who vaccinate for COVID-19 tell us that they believe breakthrough cases are often the result of errors in vaccine preparation. At the Circuit of the Americas mass vaccination site here in Austin, teams preparing vaccine forced 7 doses out of vials designed for 6, reducing the protective mRNA content of each dose for thousands of people. Published scientific evidence now shows reduced mRNA in a dose lowers efficacy and allows immunity to wane quickly. To add insult to injury, in the US alone, over 15 million doses of COVID vaccine were wasted through August, more today, and almost 500 million worldwide, largely because it takes so long to mix the doses in the pharmacy or clinic. In turn, these doses are prepared ahead of time, starting an expiration clock measured in hours and even further shortened by light exposure or temperature variations. This results in too many doses made, and they all too often expire before they're used. Meanwhile, many regions of the world cannot get vaccine to COVID vaccine at all. And these same concerns apply to measles vaccine, vaccines for yellow fever, TB, malaria, and others. We fix all of this with a technology roadmap that automates the preparation of vaccines at point of care, making doses up to 20 times faster and all but eliminating human error, while saving billions of dollars in excess labor hours and protecting millions more lives. Our device reduces wastage, ensures accuracy and safety, and allows patients and caregivers to vaccinate with confidence. We need help assessing where and how to enter first. Our data indicates US pharmacy chains are the optimal point, but medical clinics may be good options as pilot sites. We have 2 different product offerings with which to seek our first beachhead. One is the complete medical device, the patented automated vaccine reconstitution system that reduces 9+ manual steps to a single tap of a touchpad. This requires investment in hardware by the customer. Alternatively, we could enter with a patent-pending smartphone app that allows caregivers and patients alike to quickly scan any vaccine in the vial right before injection and determine its safety profile. Has it been in any way damaged by light, out of temperature conditions, over or under agitation, or is it within the parameters for safe and efficacious injection? Which would be priority 1 for the range of likely customers? And how much would they be willing to pay for either the complete medical device or the app? What is the preferred business model? Outright purchase, subscription? With this understanding, we can more accurately size the near-term market opportunity and calibrate our development priorities, ultimately seeking first commitment from customers. We would like a team member with strong critical thinking skills and aptitude to help us sort all this out. Thank you for watching.